Hi student, in last lecture we had seen chemical reaction, first chemical reaction of ether, and that we complete 4 cases. Now we have to see second reaction, that is hydrolysis of ether. आपण जे की आज पाहणार आहे सेकंड अँड थर्ड रिएक्शन. यामध्ये सेकंड रिएक्शन पाहणार आहे हायड्रोलिसिस ऑफ इथर अँड द नेम रिटन हियर हायड्रोलिसिस ऑफ ether. Hydrolysis means we are taken here water molecules. Water molecules reacts with ether. We are taken first of all ether molecule. Any ether molecule ROR. It reacts with water molecule. Water molecule we are written here HOH. HOH. In the presence of dilute H2SO4, heat, pressure we required here. Heat and pressure we required. We are getting what we are getting? 1 R from the ether molecule, break from the compound, break from the ether compound, and H and OH. H and OH break from the H2O molecule. We are getting this H is added on oxygen, OH is added on R group. We are getting a product, that is ROH plus ROH. That we written here twice ROH. That we are getting alcohol molecule only. This is a simple reaction, hydrolysis of ether. We have to see example. Very simple example is there. Suppose we are taking here CH3O C2H4. Ethyl methyl ether reacts with H2O in presence of dilute H2SO4, heat under pressure. Then we are getting a product. Which product? Hydrogen. This one compound CH3 or C2H5 break from the oxygen, any one compound. Then hydrogen is added on oxygen and OH group added on second compound. Suppose we are taken break the compound CH3O and C2H5. Then hydrogen added on oxygen and OH group added on C2H5. We are getting a product, that is a CH3OH plus C2H5OH. Clear? We are getting methyl alcohol and ethyl alcohol. One example for your homework. CH3, then oxygen, CH3, CH3. That is methyl isopropyl ether we are taken here and reacts with H2O. Complete the reaction. Now we have to see last reaction, last chemical reaction, and the name of that reaction is number 3 reaction, that is a electrophilic substitution reaction. In that the reaction takes place in aromatic compound. That means we are using aromatic ether here. Suppose we are taken here aromatic ether, benzene ring attached to O and it attached to R. In electrophilic substitution in a aromatic ether, one is aromatic compound, one is aliphatic compound. That means one is benzene ring and one is alkyl group attached to oxygen. In that, oxygen has 2 lone pair on it and it shows resonance structure. It shows resonance structure by transfer of lone pair to benzene ring. and it activates ortho position, para position and ortho position. How this position getting activated? Let's see by the resonance structure. If this lone pair लोन पेअर आहे किंवा या कंपाउंड मध्ये रेझोनन्स स्ट्रक्चर मध्ये ऑर्थो पोझिशन, पॅरा पोझिशन, ऑर्थो पोझिशन ऍक्टिव्हेटेड होणार आहे. हाऊ वी आर गेटिंग ऍक्टिव्हेटेड? लेट्स सी. दिस लोन पेअर इज ट्रान्सफर बिटवीन ऑक्सिजन एटम and carbon atom. This is carbon atom. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There is a carbon atom. This lone pair, and we written here like that. This benzene ring we written here in a bond form. Not in a circle form. We written here a bond form. And if this lone pair, ऑक्सिजन कार्बन मध्ये ट्रान्सफर होणार आहे, we are getting double bond between oxygen and carbon atom, one lone pair on oxygen atom and positive charge on it, and positive charge on the oxygen atom. Why? Because of this lone pair is transferred between carbon atom and oxygen atom. Because of that double bond, this bond getting break and it totally transfer on carbon atom. That means negative charge it transfer on this carbon atom. That means negative charge is transfer on that carbon atom and remaining two bonds are as it is. This is the activation of ortho position. Then in second condition, this lone pair again transfer between that carbon atom and that carbon atom. म्हणजे की जो काही निगेटिव्ह चार्ज आहे हा डबल बॉन्ड फॉर्म करणार आहे कार्बन कार्बन एटम मध्ये, आणि जो की हा लोन पेयर आहे किंवा बॉन्ड आहे हा ब्रेक होणार. It transfer to the next carbon atom and we written here double bond O positive charge lone pair R. Clear? This negative charge totally transfer between carbon atom. That means it form a bond here. This bond break and totally transfer on carbon atom. That means negative charge on the para position. That we call as activation of para position. Next, remaining and the remaining bond as it is. Next, this bond जो की बॉन्ड आहे परत ट्रान्सफर होणार आहे कार्बन कार्बन मध्ये. नंतर हा बॉन्ड ब्रेक होऊन टोटली निगेटिव्ह चार्ज नेक्स्ट कार्बन वरती ट्रान्सफर होणार आहे. वी आर गेटिंग अ कंपाउंड डबल बॉन्ड O पॉझिटिव्ह चार्ज लोन पेयर alkyl group. Then this bond as it is, this negative charge transfer to carbon carbon, we are getting double bond here, and this bond break and totally negative charge transfer to next carbon atom. We are getting negative charge on the next carbon atom. That means activation of ortho position. Clear? In next structure we written here this negative charge transfer to carbon carbon between carbon and carbon, and this double bond break and totally transfer to oxygen atom. Clear? We are getting a structure. These bond are there. This negative charge transfer between carbon carbon atom has a double bond, हा डबल बॉन्ड ब्रेक होणार आणि डबल बॉन्ड ब्रेक झाल्यानंतर लोन पेअर ट्रान्सफर करणार आहे ऑक्सिजन कडे. वी आर गेटिंग 2 लोन पेअर ऑन ऑक्सिजन attached to R, and that structure we called as a resonance structure also, that we also called as activation of ortho position, para position and ortho position. Clear? That means the electrophile attack on ortho position, second on para position and third on again ortho position. That means we are getting a two product in a electrophilic substitution reaction, जो की aromatic इथर आपण घेणार आहे, त्यामध्ये दोन प्रोडक्ट भेटणार आहेत. मिक्सचर ऑफ टू प्रोडक्ट, वन इज ऑर्थो प्रोडक्ट अँड सेकंड वन इज पॅरा प्रोडक्ट. थर्ड रिएक्शन इलेक्ट्रोफिलिक सबस्टिट्यूशन रिएक्शन मध्ये आपण रेझोनन्स स्ट्रक्चर पाहिलंय. वी हॅड सीन रेझोनन्स स्ट्रक्चर ऑफ aromatic ether. In that we are getting activation of ortho position, activation of para position and again activation of ortho position. That means activation of ortho para ortho position. And in electrophilic substitution reaction we are getting two types of product. First one is ortho product, second one is para product. That two product we are getting in a mixture in a one reaction. Then this electrophilic substitution reaction has three types. Number one, we written here number A, halogenation reaction. Number two, number B, nitration reaction. Number C, Friedel-Crafts reaction. And last reaction, Friedel-Crafts reaction, again has the two types. We are see here. Number one, alkylation reaction. And number two, alkylation reaction. This reaction we have to see one by one here. First reaction we have to see halogenation reaction. In halogenation reaction we have to see bromination reaction. Which reaction we have to see? Bromination reaction. जसे की halogenation reaction पाहणार आहे, यामध्ये आपण फक्त bromination reaction पाहणार आहे. आणि bromination means reaction of Br2 in aromatic ether. That we are taken aromatic ether here OR. This oxygen has lone pair on it, two lone pair on it. Then it reacts with Br2. It reacts with Br2. We are getting a product. This reaction takes place in presence of bromine in acetic acid. Br2 in acetic acid, we are taken here catalyst and we are getting a two product, mixture of two product. One is ortho product and second one is para product. One we are getting ortho product, that means Br is added on ortho position, and second we are getting para product, that is Br is added on para position. We are getting mixture of two product, but in that para product is the major product. In that para product is the major product and ortho product is the minor product. Clear? In that example we have to see here. If this R changes to CH3 group, it reacts with Br2 in acetic acid. We are getting a product. One is ortho product CH3 Br, and second one is para product CH3 Br. The name of compound is orthobromo anisole and para bromo anisole. These two mixture of two product we are getting here. This is the first reaction of electrophilic substitution reaction. Now you have to see second reaction, that is a number B, nitration reaction. In nitration reaction, we have taken here aromatic ether, that is OCH3, benzene ring OCH3, that we called as anisole. It reacts with HNO3, and this HNO3 is in concentrated form. That HNO3 we are written here HO bond NO2. This HNO3 we are written here HO bond NO2. This reaction takes place in presence of concentrated acid, that is concentrated H2SO4. In HNO3, these bonds break from the compound. HO and NO2 break from each other. We are getting a two mixture of product. That NO2 group is attached to two position of the benzene ring, that is the ortho position, and second one is para position. We are getting two product here. First ortho position, first compound we are getting ortho position compound, and second compound we are getting para position compound OCH3 and O2. This is the two possible product we are obtained here. The name of product is, that compound is para nitro anisole, and this compound is ortho nitro anisole. What is the reaction? We have taken anisole here. It reacts with HNO3. This HNO3 react with anisole in presence of concentrated acid, that is concentrated H2SO4 we are taken here. This HNO3 we are written here HO bond NO2. From that HO bond break from the HNO3 and we are getting NO2. And this NO2 is attached to benzene ring in two position. One is ortho position, and second one is para position. We are getting two different products. First is ortho product, second one is para product. The name of product is ortho nitroanisole, para nitroanisole. Then last reaction we have to see here, number C, that is a Friedel-Crafts reaction. Friedel-Crafts reaction. In that we have to see first reaction, that is number 1, alkylation reaction. Alkylation reaction. In alkylation reaction, we have taken anisole here. It reacts with alkyl halide. We are getting again two products. First is ortho product, second one is para product. Let's see here. First we have taken anisole here, benzene ring attached to oxygen CH3. It reacts with CH3 bond Cl, that is methyl chloride. Any alkyl halide we are taken here, but we are taken here methyl chloride. Then it reacts with anisole in presence of anhydrous AlCl3. We are getting two products. In CH3Cl, this bond CH3 and Cl break from the compound. We are getting two compound by adding CH3 to ortho position and para position. अजून की CH3 आपण ऍड करणार आहे एक ऑर्थो पोझिशन आणि सेकंड पॅरा पोझिशनला अटॅच करणार आहे. वी आर गेटिंग मिक्सचर ऑफ प्रोडक्ट दॅट इज CH3 added at the ortho position, and in second product we are getting CH3 at the para position. The name of compound is orthomethyl anisole and paramethyl anisole. In that product, that paramethyl anisole is a major product. First reaction. Now you have seen second reaction, that is acylation reaction. Acylation reaction मध्ये again we are taken here. In acylation reaction we are taken here anisole. It reacts with CH3COCl. What is the name of CH3COCl? The name of compound is acetyl chloride. The name of compound is acetyl chloride. This acetyl chloride reacts with anisole again in presence of anhydrous AlCl3. We are getting again two products. Which one? This Cl break from the compound and this CH3CO is attached to ortho position and the para position. We are getting compound here, anisole we written here. At the ortho position, this CO and CH3 is added. CO, CH3. And in second product, anisole we written here. Then CO, CH3 added to para position. The name of compound is this is a methoxy group, and we are taken here 2-methoxy acetophenone, and this compound we called as 1, 2, 3 compound we written here 1, 2, 3, 4, that is 4-methoxy acetophenone. This is the reaction. In that 4-methoxy acetophenone is a major product and 2-methoxy acetophenone is a minor product. Clear? This is the reaction of the ether. In this way we complete the total chapter in detail.